My dad is a very busy man during the week because he works at a big office in the city. He is an accountant, and he spends a lot of time working with numbers and reports. But on the weekends, my dad has a special routine that he follows, and I love spending that time with him. Every Saturday morning, my dad wakes up early to go for a run. He says it helps him stay healthy and gives him energy for the day. Sometimes, I join him for a short jog around the neighborhood. After the run, we come back home, and my dad makes breakfast. His pancakes are the best. We sit down together as a family and enjoy the meal. After breakfast, my dad likes to work in the garden. He grows tomatoes, cucumbers, and flowers. He teaches me how to plant seeds and take care of the plants. We water the garden together and sometimes pick fresh vegetables for lunch. My dad says that gardening helps him relax and forget about work. In the afternoon, my dad and I often go to the park to play soccer. He used to play soccer when he was younger, and he's very good at it. He teaches me how to pass the ball and shoot goals. We have a lot of fun, and it's a great way to spend time together. On Sunday, my dad likes to cook a big family dinner. He spends most of the afternoon in the kitchen preparing different dishes. He says cooking is like creating art, and he enjoys experimenting with new recipes. We all sit down at the table in the evening and enjoy the delicious food he makes. It's a special time for our family. I admire my dad because he works hard, but he also knows how to enjoy life and spend quality time with his family. He always says that family is the most important thing, and I'm really grateful to have him as my dad.